tonight, guys, we are going to make mac and cheese. So firstly we will boil the water and cook the pasta, and then we move on to making the cheese sauce. So second of all, you put some butter in the pan, turn the hob on, make sure you melt it through until you see no butter other than liquid, and then you'll add flour and then the milk and give it a good old stir. But when you've melted the butter and then added the flour, that makes it into a roux. It's called a roux. And then you add the milk, which will make it into a bechamel, and then you will add the cheese, which will make a cheese sauce. So let's get into that part. So it's just to start looking like this. Melt that down. The pasta is almost cooked. The macaroni. It's a bit steamy. So you add the flour like so. You mix it and you make it into a roux like so. Make sure you can't keep it on the heat for too long because it will burn the pan. So you add the milk like so, and you stir and make sure there's no lumps left in the until it gets thick like so. You should always add a little bit more milk if you feel you need to, like that, because sometimes there's some more lumps left in there and you want it to look white, and sometimes you put too much butter in there and that makes it look yellow. But see, now you can see it's coming along like this, and it's almost ready to add the cheese. So we are going to add the cheese like this. And just add it until you feel like that's enough. Like this, and then just give it a stir. Then if it's too thick, add some milk. I like a thick cheese sauce anyway. It's very nice. So yeah, keep mixing. I'll add a little bit more milk, and then you can add a bit more cheese if you feel that you need to as well, like so. I've just turned the pasta off, and then we're going to drain. And look, it's now starting to bind. It's looking nice. So we're going to just let that simmer and thicken up for a couple of minutes. So far I have added all the cheese that I've grated up so far into this sauce, and then I'm going to grate up a few more, and then I'll place some onto the top of the pasta and put it in the air fryer and get that golden crispy top. So now we have drained the water for the pasta, and I am going to add the cheese sauce into the pan like so, and I will scrape the rest out of this into there, give it a mix. So if you followed the step process, you should have something that looks like this with it all mixed in, and then we move on to the next step by presenting it. Unfortunately, Crystal is fussy and she does only like it like this, but with mine I'm going to present it and make it look nice and show you the end result. Sisters and brothers, please like the video, please share, and make sure to subscribe. There's more cooking videos on the way, and there's going to be a big travel one near the end of the year, so please make sure you press that notification bell so you know every time we have uploaded. So I'm sticking it in a dish like this, And then I'm going to get the cheese. Yeah, actually, firstly, I'll put some chicken on there, and then we can put some cheese over the top, like so. Just make sure you spread it out evenly, so when it melts, and it looks like that nice crispy brown top, just like that. So I'll just tuck it in the air fryer and do it for 5 minutes. So I've laid a napkin out on the plate, and this helps the dish not slide off the plate when you are carrying it to wherever you are eating. So this is the end result, guys. Mac and cheese with chicken and a choice of vegetable, but mine is peas today. But you can have it with broccoli or any vegetable you like. But yeah, that is the end result, people. My brothers and sisters, please subscribe, please like, and please share this premiere and let it get out to other people. There's also a hype option in the comments or next to the comments. Just scroll right and you'll be able to hype the video, and we will appreciate you so much. So we love you all. Thank you for joining us here today, and we'll see you at the next one.
Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Wing Bian Noel Orong from Philippines. Please support Daddy Travels, my beloved friend, content creator in United Kingdom. Guys, don't forget guys, subscribe to his channel and follow to his Facebook page, Daddy Travels. And of course, please don't forget Mr. Wing Bian here in the Philippines.